Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So Claude is Anthropic's AI coding agent that runs directly in your terminal. It can understand your code base, edit files, run commands, help with debugging, write code, and automate development tasks using natural language instructions. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to install and set up Claude code for the first time in 2026. So first thing, install Node.js. So before installing Claude code, verify that Node.js is installed. Okay, so Claude code requires Node.js plus 18 for installation through npm. So if Node.js isn't installed, download it from the official Node.js website. Okay, so install Claude code, like open your terminal, run terminal and run. This installs Claude code globally on your system. Some users may also use Anthropic's installer script, so which Anthropic's list on the Claude code project page. Okay, so launch Claude code. Okay, start Claude code by running. On first launch, Claude code will guide you through the login process. First launch triggers authentication, so sign into your Claude account. When prompts, choose login, open the browser window, sign into your Claude account, authorize Claude code. So Anthropic supports several account types including Claude subscriptions and council accounts. So after login, credentials are stored locally, so you usually won't need to sign in every time. Okay, so browser authentication is the easiest setup method. Okay, so this is it, guys, how to install and to set up Claude code for the first time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.